Hi students, this is Ram Mohan, Jail and History, Government College, Kachiguda. As part of second year syllabus, already we completed the Qutub Shahi's political history and their administration. Okay, in the fifth unit of Qutub Shahi dynasty, we are going to discuss the art and architecture of Qutub Shahis, the art and architecture. See, the Qutub Shahis, the Golconda rulers who started their empire from 1518 to they continued their legacy up to 1687. So, the seven important kings played major role to develop the Golconda kingdom, strengthen the Golconda fort, and built the Hyderabad city. Not only that, many palaces, mosques, buildings, ashrukhanas, tombs, constructed by these Qutub Shahi rulers. They were great patrons of fine arts, of grand palaces all constructed. They started first, and they respected here, honored here the local language, the local religion also. That's what a great cooperation, coordination existed here between the Muslims and Hindus. Though Shia Muslims were rulers of Qutub Shahi, they never hated here the local language, the local literature, even the local religion and their customs and traditions. That's what you can see a number of constructions we can notice here. Even they encouraged here, supported here language, literature, and later art and architecture also was greatly flourished during this tenure. Here you can see the important places, the important buildings or constructions like Charminar, Makkah Masjid, Toli Masjid, Taramati, Baradari, and Hayat Nagar Mosque, Hussain Sagar Tank, Ibrahim Patnam Tank, Shekhpet Sarai, Ma Saheba Tank, Khairatabad Mosque, Qutub Shahi Tombs, Hayat Nagar Mosque, and Madrasa. Like that, there are number of, even Puranapul. These are the important places, buildings, mosques they built here, they constructed here during their rule. Now we are going to discuss each and every important buildings which was founded by Qutub Shahi rulers. As you know, Golconda was the capital city of Qutub Shahis. It was the imperial capital of Qutub Shahis when they began their empire in 1518. The Sultan Quli Qutbul Mulk, when he started the empire, he made here Golconda as his capital. Before that, he was the Tarafdar of the Telangana region because it was the one of the Tarafdars of Bahmani Sultanate. So when he declared independence, he made Golconda as his capital city. Later, Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah strengthened the Golconda fort. He built granite walls also. Later developed by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah and others. Here, the original name of Golconda city or Golconda area was Mankal. Some historical books referred here. The old name of Golconda was Mankal, and this village or this area first developed by Kakatiyas when they started the capital, when they built here a mud fort in this area, the present area. Later, it was developed by here Qutub Shahis. So this Manakal or Golconda, the present name, it was built in 1143 during the Kakatiyas. During the Kakatiya period, the Hyderabad or Golconda region, one of the provinces of Kakatiya dynasty, so that they made here, they built here, a city like Manakal, like Golconda in 1143. And it stood as capital of Qutub Shahis from 1518 to 1687. Remember the years 1518. This was the year of when the Golconda Empire was started, and ended 1687 when Golconda dynasty or Golconda kingdom was destroyed and occupied by Aurangzeb's army in 1687. These are the important years. So it stood as the capital of Golconda. The people of Qutub Shah is here from 1518 to 1687. The three granite walls of the Golconda city, and these were the megalithic construction, and these three granite walls here encircled the fort. This isolated granite hill area, of course, you see 400 feet above the 8 gates here. Among them, Fateh Darwaza was very, very important. This was the main entrance of the Golconda fort. Not only that, many locations you can notice here: Bala Hisar, Diwan's Palace, Jama Masjid, Nagina Bagh, Tilha Khan. These are the important places of Golconda fort. So this was the Golconda fort, which was occupied by this Qutub Shahis, and they made here as their capital city from 1518 to 1687. Later, Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, all sultans here developed here, strengthened here, not only the Golconda fort here, entire Golconda city. That's what nowadays it was the spirit and proud of Telangana people, the Golconda fort, really. So after Telangana came into practice here, the new state was emerged here 2014. The Golconda is a symbol of our proud, our pride, our glorious culture. Now we are going to discuss one more, the magnificent, wonderful place, that is Hyderabad. A great city, Hyderabad. This Hyderabad was, first of all, built in 1519 to 91. It started when Charminar was constructed during the reign of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. The Hyderabad city started. Here, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the son of Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah, began the work of Hyderabad. When Golconda population was increasing here, when it was not enough, the resources were not enough, when people are coming from different areas, are migrating from different areas to Golconda. So when it was not fit, when it was not sufficient for the people, then he decided to expand the city. So later he designed and he started the construction of Hyderabad city, the south bank of Musi River. The southern bank of Musi River, he started the construction of Hyderabad city during the 1590-91. Here, the chief engineer, the chief architect of Hyderabad city, the wonderful city of Telugu here, Mir Momin Astrabadi. He was the responsible person of this Hyderabad city. He was the chief architect, chief engineer, chief designer who began the construction of Hyderabad in 1590. He belonged to Iran. He migrated. He started his career. In he observed here different portfolios. Later, he was promoted as a Peshwa also. When he gave suggestion to increase the city of Golconda. He was the chief advisors of the Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. He started the construction of Hyderabad city in 1590, and he designed the Hyderabad city. The city of Isfahan, which is located in Iran. So he took the model of the city of Iran and started the construction in Golconda area, the south bank of Musi River. In 1590 to 91, the Hyderabad city was started for construction. Now moving to the another important place, Charminar. Charminar was constructed by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. This legendary masterpiece of Deccani architecture. Not only that, even Qutub Shahi, Deccani, Bahmani, you see, total South India, kingdoms. Among all their art and architecture, it was the legendary and masterpiece. I can proudly say it was the legendary and masterpiece of architecture of Deccan and Qutub Shahi kingdoms. It was a great grand construction and a wonderful rectangular structure. Here you can see four minarets here. This construction, with the construction of Charminar only, the Hyderabad city was started and expanded the city, the expansion of Golconda kingdom also. Same Mir Momin Astrabadi, he was the engineer of the this Charminar. You can see the four ways of Hyderabad, one moving to the Musi, one moving to the Golconda, one route to the Kohir, one route to the Bay of Bengal. The four routes, okay, merged here in the area of Charminar. The Charminars represents here four areas and four directions here. The four minars, the grand construction here, the rectangular structure. So it was designed by Mir Momin Astrabadi, constructed by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, designed by Mir Momin Astrabadi. These are the important persons, important names you have to notice while writing about Charminar. Now, another work, grand work, that is the Purana Pool. Purana Pool is nothing but old bridge. This was the first bridge across the Musi river. It was constructed by Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah in 1578. Here, 22 arches are there, 600 feet long, 35 feet broad, and 54 feet above the riverbed area. So, this was the city. I connect the Purana Pool, connect the Golconda and Hyderabad. Okay, Golconda and Hyderabad. So, when they wanted to expand the Golconda kingdom into the southern area of Musi river, they started the construction of Purana Pool. Okay, and later in 1676, the French traveler Tavernier, when he visited here, he was very much impressed with the work of Purana Pool. He described it as the bridge of love and beautiful as Pont Neuf of Paris. Okay, he compared the Purana Pool bridge with the Pont Neuf, the bridge of Paris bridge. So, same, what construction it was in the Paris, same type of beautiful, same type of love and affection we can notice in the Purana Pool. What a magnificent work was described by the French traveler Tavernier. So, these are the Qutub Shahi tombs very near to Golconda Fort. There were 7 tombs constructed by their royal family members and their sons. These Qutub Shahi 7 tombs here in the memory of the departed souls of the Qutub Shahi kings. It was very near to the Golconda Fort, 1.5 miles, and it also resembled here the excellent Deccani architecture. Okay. Later, the restoration work was done by Salar Jung. Salar Jung, when he was the minister of Asafjai dynasty, he started the restoration work, okay, during the Asafjai dynasty, and he developed the entire Qutub Shahi tombs. Okay, and even the French traveler Tavernier described the beauty of all the Qutub Shahi tombs. And here, the poor people also every Friday feeding activity also, okay, he wrote in the book. So, we can notice here the feeding activity also done by the Qutub Shahi family members in Qutub Shahi tombs area. Now, moving to the one more construction, that is Hussain Sagar. Okay, Hussain Sagar tanks. This tank was constructed for the purpose of drinking water. The people of Hyderabad, when the city was increased here, when population was increased here, to give the drinking water facility, Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah thought that to construct a beautiful tank, that is a Hussain Sagar tank. This tank across the river, that is the Balkapur river, the tributary of Musi river. So, this Musi river, as you know, 32 miles from Hyderabad city, okay, near Vikarabad, this Musi river originated. So, the tributary of Musi river, the Balkapur river area, this river water fed the Hussain Sagar tank. Remember, the Balkapur river water fed the Hussain Sagar tank here. So these tanks across the Balkapur river area. So it also connected the city now Hyderabad and Sikandrabad. So total 1.5 miles land and okay, it covered the area of 8 square miles also. So this Hussain Sagar actually constructed by Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah, but it was named after Hussain Shah Wali. He was the son-in-law of the Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah, and he was a great Sufi saint. He personally supervised the activity of Hussain Sagar work, so that it was named after Hussain Shah Wali. That's what people now calling here Hussain Sagar tank. Okay, besides Hussain Sagar tank, Ibrahim Patnam tank, Udwel tank, okay, Durgu tank, number of tanks also constructed by Qutub Shahi rulers, not only for drinking water, for the purpose of irrigation facility, to increase the agriculture activity, cultivation activity. They provided here, they restored here different tanks. During the Kakatiyas also, number of tanks, okay, developed here and constructed here in Hyderabad, in Golconda area. So that to restore their tanks, their water bodies also, these Qutub Shahi kings took a lot of interest, keen interest to supervise these things. Now, Hayat Baksh Begum, that means here Hayat Nagar city also we are going to discuss now. She was the only daughter of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, the founder of Hyderabad, the founder of Charminar. As you know, Hayat Baksh Begum, only daughter. He had no sons, he had no successor. So later he married Hayat Baksh Begum to Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. So now he was the ruler of Qutub Shahi dynasty after the death of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Later, Abdullah Qutub Shah. She was the great witness of three rulers. One is his father Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Another one is his husband Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, and her son Abdullah Qutub Shah. She knew the three rules: Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, Sultan Muhammad, and Abdullah Quli Qutub Shah. So he was greatly encouraged by the Telugu poet, Telugu language, Telugu literature, a great scholar. Okay, and the people believed here, and people consider her as Ma Saheba. The people showing love and affection towards our activities, our encouragement, okay, our feeding activity in different areas for the poor people, so that the people called here, consider here Ma Saheba. So popularly known as Ma Saheba in the Telangana history, in Qutub Shahi history, you can notice. And she built Hayat Nagar city, Hayat Nagar village in 1626. Here she built here Grand Caravan Sarai also, okay, and Madrasa also she constructed. Later in Khairatabad also, she built a Khairatabad mosque, still you can notice in Hyderabad, and great mosque in Golconda tombs. Golconda, 7 tombs are there. Besides 7 tombs, he constructed a beautiful mosque in that Golconda tombs area. Here, see, every Friday the poor people were feeded here, okay, and even after the invasion of Aurangzeb, after the after the decline of Golconda kingdom also, even Aurangzeb also practiced here, supported same activity, which activity was carried out by Hayat Baksh Begum in Golconda tombs area. So she also built a great mosque in Golconda tombs, that is Golconda Mosque. So Hayat Baksh Begum, she was a royal woman, she was a great woman in royal family. He was supported by his father, his husband, and his son. So that's what the people here called here, because of her great activity, her great achievements, the people called here Ma Saheba. In history, she was popularly known as Ma Saheba. Now, one more important construction, grand work, wonderful work, that is Makkah Masjid. Okay, one of the biggest and wonderful mosques in the world, that is Makkah Masjid. Okay, this was the model of grand mosque of Makkah. Okay, the important mosque in the world, that is Makkah, the Masjid in Makkah, the mosque in Makkah. So which was admired by the the total Islam community. So same model here, Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah started the grand work Makkah Masjid. To supervise this grand work, he appointed Daroga officer Mir Faizullah Beg, later Chaudhary Rajaya. These two people, okay, remember Mir Faizullah Beg and Chaudhary Rajaya, these two important persons here who supervised here the activity, the work of Makkah Masjid in Hyderabad. Just 100 meters away from Charminar area, this was construction was taken. And here, Makkah, the soil, the mud brought from Makkah, and they used while constructing the big activity, the big work in Hyderabad. So the masjid was named after the soil which was brought, which was taken from Makkah area. So people here called here Makkah Masjid. Okay, Makkah, the name here resembles or consists here the name of the soil which was brought from Makkah area. So this construction was started by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, but he did not complete the construction in his life. When Aurangzeb in 1687, when he occupied the Golconda kingdom, he completed the construction, so that he took here 77 years to complete the Makkah Masjid. How many years here? 77 years it took time to complete the Makkah Masjid construction. Okay, who completed here? Aurangzeb was the Mughal ruler, the Mughal emperor who invaded and who occupied in 1687 Qutub Shahi dynasty, Golconda kingdom. He completed the construction in, okay, after 77 years. Okay, that is 1694. So in this Makkah Masjid, at a time 10,000 people did do prayers. Okay, 10,000 people were accommodated and they can do their prayers without any disturbance. And the hall, you observed the hall of Makkah Masjid here, 67 meters length, 54 meters width, and 23 meters of height. So these were the measurements of the Makkah Masjid during the Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. The work was started and Aurangzeb completed the construction. It was very near to the Charminar, only 100 meters distance from Charminar to Makkah Masjid, and one of the biggest and wonderful mosques, not only in Asia, the entire world. We have discussed here the art and architecture of Qutub Shahi, and before that we have completed the central administration of Qutub Shahi dynasty and their political history also. In this fifth chapter of second year history, you remember the important questions. One is Qutub Shahi's administration. As we discussed, one is central administration, provincial administration, okay, and their trade and commerce, and their justice, and social and religious conditions, and their development, their consideration toward the Telugu language, how they developed the Telugu literature and language also. These are the important points you have to write in examination, okay, that is Qutub Shahi's administration. And later their constructions. Now we discuss, art and architecture. What are the important monuments? What are the important magnificent buildings in Hyderabad area? Okay, all like Purana Pool, Charminar, Makkah Masjid. These are all important places you have to write in. Okay, art and architecture of Qutub Shahis. Very, very important question in long question, that is Qutub Shahi, important dynasty's ruler, Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah. He was the great ruler, great constructions started by Ibrahim Quli Qutub Shah only, and great development. He strengthened the Golconda fort, he strengthened the standing army, he started the two important tanks like Hussain Sagar and Ibrahim Patnam tank. Not only that, he patronized here Telugu literature, Telugu language. Okay, these are. Moving to the short answers, here you write the first ruler, Sultan Quli Qutubul Mulk. He was the founder of Golconda dynasty. He started rule from 1518 and he made Golconda as his capital. Okay, these are the right. important points you have to write in examination. And above all, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, who was the founder of Hyderabad, who was the founder of Charminar. Okay, these are the important points of Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. And especially, he supported, encouraged their Mir Momin Astrabadi, who was the chief engineer, who was the chief architect here to design here Hyderabad, to design here Charminar. And he was the great advisor to the Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. And moving to the 2 marks answers, you have to write about Golconda, the old name of Golconda Mankal. And during the Kakatiyas, it was started, and later Qutub Shahis developed here, and they made their capital from 1518 to 1687. And one more, Charminar, the grand work started by Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah and designed by Mir Momin Astrabadi and constructed in 1592-91. And like Hyderabad, Charminar, both are same, and designed and construction, the two people are. And Makkah Masjid, and one of the biggest and wonderful mosque in India, started by Sultan Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah, completed by Aurangzeb here, total 77 years to complete it. And here 10,000 people at a time do prayers. And one more important question, that is Hayat Baksh Begum. So she was the well-known woman in the Qutub Shahi dynasty. She belonged to royal family, and she developed works, majority works in Hyderabad area to provide food to the poor people, okay, to construct the number of madrasas, mosques in and around the Hyderabad area. That's what the city, the new city named after Hayat Baksh, that is Hayat Nagar. Thank you.